Hello everybody, this is Harish. I am preparing the video series for the shell scripting. So for the shell scripting you need to know the basic commands. So in this video I'll just tell you the very basic commands like pwd, ls, cal, date. So pwd, that command which is used to display your current location. ls, that ls command is used to display the files and folder from that current folder or location. Then cal, that is used for displaying the calendar, and date is to display the date of particular date or the particular month. Now see, pwd, this is for the current locations. This is my current location, home and Harish. This is my current location. This has been displayed using this pwd command. Now I can list out the files and folder in this current locations using the ls. So these are the files and folders which are there in this home folder. I can also see the particular permissions and the detailed information about all the files and folders using ls-l. So this displays, suppose these are the permissions or rights for the files, and this one is the complete information of files and folder. So this has been displayed using ls-l command. Now next command, that is cal. So this cal display that current month. So this one, so this is August 2018. This has been displayed using the cal command. You can display any particular month or particular year also using this command. So that format is like, suppose Jan 1985. So this month is again can be displayed using this format, or you can use this way also to display the same month. Now next command is the date. This date command displays that day, month, date, and this time and year in IST format. But sometimes we need that date and time in particular format, so also we can display that date in particular format. Suppose this is date, this is the string that we use to display %d, then the format %m, then again the format and %year, this one. So this will display this in this format, right? So again other format is also there. This is the other format. So it means whatever format you like, in that format you can display the date. Also you can display the date along with time. So this %n, this %n is for the new line. So whatever we typed after this, that will be displayed on the new line. Suppose I want to display the time. So this is h, this for hours, m for the minutes, and s for the second. So this one is the time and date. So this time is in the second line and date is in the first line. So this is happened because of this n, this one. So these were the basic commands. So if you like my video, please subscribe it, like it and share it. Thank you very much.